Afternoon, everyone. Steve Burnett here from GearsTV.tv. Once again, GearsTV.tv. And you are here investigating Mayfair Gears IPTV services and Gears Reloaded services as well. Boy, what an exciting week we have had in IPTV and streaming services. Disney Plus came out this week. We have all of the stuff that's going on with the impeachment trial. So those of us have been living and dying by streaming services, cable, and TV. But here's the most important question I have for you, which is, you are here investigating IPTV services and, more importantly, Gears TV and GearsTV.tv. You know the reason you're here? Because you want to cut your cable bill by 95%. You see, what started to happen was most of you started paying attention to those cable bills steadily rising, and also all these streaming services starting to pop up. But now what's starting to happen is you have to get Disney Plus, HBO Go, HBO Now, ESPN, and your local channels, and each one of those has a separate cost. By the time you add it back up, you're at over $140 a month, more expensive than when you just had cable. We thought the whole purpose of this program was to cut that cable bill by 95%. Well, this is what we want to do here at GearsTV.tv. Not only do we want to cut your cable bill by 95%, we want to give you all of your HBOs, all of your Cinemax, all of your Showtime, all of your Stars, all of your pay-per-view, and all of your local channels, all under one umbrella for less than 95% that you've been paying for cable. In fact, the number that you see right here, here's something amazing that's going to happen. Text that number or give it a call and give the special code of 90210. Just for giving that code, we're going to give you a free movie app for life, even if you don't use our service. And the most important thing is, when you call that number, you actually get to talk to a live person who will answer any questions you have and walk you through the service and the steps of joining our family. Most importantly, not only do we want to make sure we save you over $1,000 a year in your cable bill, but we also want to make sure that we take care of you one-on-one ourselves. In fact, here's exactly what the service will look like. Here's a short little video. And my name is Steve. I truly want to thank you for a few seconds of your time and your trust, and I hope to talk to you soon myself.